your girl Tara Love Diva, and welcome to my channel. Welcome to Tara Love Diva Home Decor. As you all know, probably if you watched all my other videos, when I moved in, it's all of pretty much a month ago. No, well, yeah, technically a month. I moved in at the end of July 25th. So technically, this will be my second time paying rent. So it's going on 2 months. I am coming to you with these bar stools that was gifted to me from Walmart. And it was easy to assemble. At first, which I said, oh, this is not aligned right. It's aligned. I just, yeah. Anyway. But anyway, so these are the bar stools. And it goes with my little bar kitchen. I don't know if I want to put bars over here as well. I'm also changing the chairs out to this table that I also got gifted from Walmart. So, with that being said, we're going to make this video short. This is my bar stools. They are, I'm going to give you the specs all right here. The specs on these bar stools. I will also leave you the link down below to these bar stools from Walmart. So, thank you for watching. This is your girl Tara Love Diva. Cheers.